What are you doing?
Yeah.
Are you eating soggy Cheerios?
Yeah, soggy.
They're soggy. Why are they soggy? Because you're in the... What are you doing?
Guys.
Are you in the swimming pool?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to show everybody your swimming pool? Okay, sit down in the swimming pool. Can you sit down? Okay. Show everybody what's in your swimming pool. What's in there? What's in there? Is there a ladybug?
Yeah.
Show everybody the ladybug. Oh, Cheerios. Show me the ball. Where's the ball? Yeah, you found the ball. What else? Oh, Cheerio. Is this fun? Do we need a real swimming pool though? What do you think? Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Thanks.